Well, I'm heading over to the foundry this morning. It's about 8:30 right now in the morning, and we're going to be coloring the door handles at two different foundries. The first foundry will be Northwest Art Casting, and we'll be coloring a multicolor version of the door handles. And then we'll be coloring a traditional colored version at the gallery in Belgrade, Art Castings of Montana.
Okay.
And then we also made a big handle that's wrapped in leather that we're casting, and it's the crystal ball and the Indian head sit on top of the handle.
Gotcha.
And then there's a big crystal spike out of the bottom.
So it's just a big door handle.
Huge door handle, like that big.
Okay, I was wondering how the handle works.
Yeah.
God, I hope people aren't just grabbing this all the
Yeah,
time.
no. There's a crystal ball and there's a big thread of rod that goes through the whole thing.
All right, we're here at the Northwest Art Casting, and this is Isaac, who's getting ready to add color to this piece. This is the female part of the door handle. I'm going to turn off the camera for just a second and take a look at the bronze, see how it looks.
And on the side, maybe underneath, right in there.
Yeah.
Just to pop it out.
That's easy enough.
Trent is just explaining to Isaac what he'd like to see on the hair, highlighting it.
Points in there, maybe. Don't you think?
You know, we can highlight it all, and then if at the end you think it's too highlighted, I can always darken it or lighten it. We can play with the hair a lot.
No, I think it's looking okay. Don't you think?
Yeah, looks good.
At any point, we can.
Okay, what Isaac's doing right now is heating up the bronze so that the acid will react to the heat. And I guess, what are you putting on now, ferric?
Yeah. Just putting on some of the highlights.
Ferric turns the browns kind of a reddish brown. That will be the skin tone too. I don't have my tripod, so I'm not going to keep the camera on all through this. I'll just do highlights. You can see how the color is starting to turn already. Look underneath it, Trent. See how they got the bolt in there.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
All right, he's coloring the dress now. He's putting a red. What acid are you putting on there now?
This is more of like an oxide mixed with ferric, so a red oxide.
So he's putting a red oxide on it now.
So this is kind of a lightweight, you know.
Now that's going to the red.
Yeah, I'm pushing it just slowly. I don't want it to be, you know, a hard red.
Right,
So it
exactly.
looks like it's painted.
Yeah,
You want it to look like it's been dabbed on with a,
Right.
like a
And
sack
faded.
of powder.
And faded.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's looking good.
Yeah, a little bit uneven, so it
Yeah.
looks like it's back.
So it looks real.
Yeah, feel free to say anywhere you
And
want.
then he's going to polish those tacks, and that's going to look really good.
And Little White Dove is starting to
Yeah. Running Bear and Little White Dove.
That's what they're calling them. Remember that song?
Running Bear, love Little White Dove
You're too young.
with a love as big as the sky.
I sent it to David.
Or Running
You
Bear.
remember it?
Who sings
We
it?
love
I
Little
sent it to him. My girlfriend looked it up and we sent it to him. You know, so I thought it was appropriate.
Anything like this, where it's really traditional.
Lights in there.
Now what Isaac is doing now is polishing the brass tacks on the dress.
I like your little polishing tip.
I gotta keep moving it around.
Where do you get those?
Boy, her face looks good, you know. So now we're starting on the male bust, and Isaac is doing the basic color before we put the regular color on it.
I don't do it myself. Just see it. Yeah, I design it. I have a girl that makes it. You know, puts it together.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna unleash them on the world.
All right, Isaac is putting the finishing touches on this bust of the Indian male, and we're going to be done with this in a little while, and then he's going to ink relax it and wax it, both of them, to get them prepared to go. And then we're going to go over to Art Castings of Montana over in Belgrade and do a more traditional patina on these same buds. Alright, Isaac has just finished coloring these and sprayed them with ink relax varnish, and he's put a finishing coat of wax on it. It's a little shiny right now, but that'll all dull down once it cools off.
It's just easier to work with.
Alright, we got them all waxed and done, and we're just seeing what it looks like on the crystal ball, and it just fits perfect. Just dynamite. You happy with it, Trent?
Beautiful Indian maiden.
Are you happy?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Okay, well, I can't wait to see these on the door handles. Alright, we just put the running bear on his crystal ball. It looks dynamite. It fits, and I like the way these tassels hang down onto the ball itself.
We're gonna unleash them on the world here shortly.
Alright, Trent, let's get over to
do
the other
it.
foundry.
All right.
The foundry wasn't ready for us. They had the heads cast, but they didn't have all the mold material cut out of it and all the sandblasting and the chasing. So we're gonna have to come back tomorrow. I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, but Trent will come back tomorrow. So that's gonna be it for today, guys, and I'll see you when I see you. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be sculpting today or tomorrow or what. So I gotta start getting packed, ready for my trip on Wednesday to Lake Tahoe. So from Art Castings in Montana, this is going to be it for today.
Highlighted a little. This is highlighted. I made